everyone. Good afternoon. This is Ethan from EB China. Welcome to our live show today about high-end alloying, castings and forgings.
This is Olivia. Welcome to our live show.
As you know, we are Internal Billets and Alloying Casting and Forging Company Limited. We also call ourselves as EB China. Olivia, where are we located?
We are located in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province, about 150 kilometers far from Shanghai. So most of our high alloy castings and forgings are shipped from Shanghai port by sea or from Shanghai Pudong International Airport by air.
Yes, thank you, Olivia. And what's the regarded capital of our company, EB China?
The registered capital of EB China is CNY 13.14 million.
Yes, 13.14 million Chinese yuan. And how long have we been the golden supplier of Alibaba International?
More than 6 years.
Yes, and during these 6 years, we had a verified supplier certificate. And as you see in my hand, so Olivia, could you please read it, show more details and more information to our customer?
This certificate is version 5 supplier certificate.
Yes, and its certificate number is
20881155-T.
yes, presented to our company.
Wuxi Internal Billets Alloying Casting and Forgings Company Limited.
Yes, and the on-site assessment was confined by the TUV relaying organization. And during these 6 years, and what's the total online sales on Alibaba International we have?
More than $3 million US.
Yes. And so far, the TUV have came to our company and foundries to do the on-site assessment. And we also have other different certificates such as
ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate, ISO 14001 Environment Management System Certificate, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate.
yes. In addition to the TUV relaying organization, came to us to do the on-site assessment, which is the third part. Also came to our company and the foundries to do the on-site audit.
SGS also came to our foundry for on-site audit last June.
Yes, the next Olivia will show you more information about the ISO certificate, which called the occupational quality management system certificate, which presented to
Wuxi Internal Billets Alloying Casting and Forgings. Quality management system complies with GBOT 19001-2016 or ISO 9001-2015 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings, and its number is 95321Q30055ROS, and its date is 2021 January 12th, and its valid date is from 2021 January 12th to 2024 January 11th. Date of initial certification is 2021 January 12th, and its unified social credit code of the certificate organization is 913211901521927F.
Yes, this is all the information about the quality management system certificate which presented to our company, Wuxi Internal Beliefs and Law in Casting and Forging Company Limited. And this is about the quality management system certificate. And the next, we will show you more information about the next ISO certificate, which calls the Environmental Management System Certificate. So as you see in my hand, which presented to you,
Wuxi Internal Beliefs Alloy Casting and Forgings Company Limited, and the environmental management system complies with 24001-2016 ISO 14001-2015 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supplier of alloy castings and forgings and sites, and its number is 905-321E30032ROS, and its date is 2021 January 12th, and its valid date is from 2021 January 12th to 2024 January 11th, and date of initial certification is 2021 January 12th.
yes, and the unified social credit of the qualified organization is 913-202-1109-1521927F. And this environmental management compile with the GBT 24001-2016, or called ISO 14001-2015 requirements. And the next is our last ISO certificate, which was Occupational Health and Safety Management Certificate. And it is also presented to our company, Wuxi Internal Beliefs and Law in Casting and Forging Company Limited.
Occupational health and safety management system complies with GBOT 45001 2020 or ISO 45001 2018 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supplier of alloy castings and forgings and sites. Its number is 05321S 320031 ROS. Its date is 2020 first January 12th. Valid date is from 2021 January 12th to 2024 January 11th, and its initial certification is 2021 January 12th. Unified Social Credit Code of the certificate organization is 913201115219227F.
Yes, and this is also information about the ISO certificate, which our Wuxi Internal Beliefs and Casting and Forging Company has passed. And as you know, we are also a professional supplier of wear and heat precision castings and forgings, and machines and decorative items. And we also have other certificates instead of, as you see, we also have a certificate which from SGS organization, which should be confirmed by the audited suppliers, which presented to
Wuxi Internal Business Alloying Casting and Forgings Company Limited. In recognition of your site existence, ability, and business
occupation
occupation.
and audited by the SGS-CSTC on the 2020 on June 15th. And we also have many championships from the local government or other government. For example, we have been the
Wuxi Commerce Chamber of Commerce.
yes in the 2018 October 1st. And from this time, our Wuxi Internal Business and Castings&Forgings Company Limited have owned more than 22 patents about different products. For example, the bottlers, liners used for the mine industries, ceramic industry, chemical industries, and so on. And we also have other products we can produce for you. So if you are interested in our products, please send us your inquiries to our Alibaba International. You are always welcome. And the next is our company surviving.
Internal Business Alloying Castings and Forgings Company Limited specializes in supply of heat, wear, and corrosion resistance casting and forgings, machineries, and productive items. Global brand is DB.
Yes, please check the E and B. And the next is our main products and the main slides we can produce for you. It is divided to 4 different parts. The first part, which calls the corrosion resistant castings, including 5 different materials like cobalt alloying, nickel alloying, aluminum alloying, copper alloying, and the titanium alloying. This is the first main products we can produce for the corrosion resistant industries. That is commonly used in our daily life. We can see the aluminum alloys on the cars or the stainless steels on the electric bicycles or the bicycles. So this is the first product we can produce is used very widely in our daily life. And what's the second part, Olivia?
Second part is the heat castings and some heat treatment fixture, radiant tubes, finance rollers, melting kettles, slag pots, grate bars, and finance bleed plants.
Yes, this is secondly main products we can produce for you. It is used in some industries and is very commonly seen in the some foundries to do some heat treatment for about the heat treatment plants or baskets for support to make sure the goods will get the better treatment by the heat treat. And what's the third part of our company may produce, Olivia?
They are like icon castings.
Yes, it's a kind of wear castings. It includes about 5 different materials. Instead of the high chromium white iron castings, it also has the nickel hard white iron castings, chromium monire and alloying steel castings, and the high magnesium steel castings. And the last one is the wear parts for the crushers. like the jaw crushers, cone crushers, and the roller crushers. And the first part is the products we have produced, like the customer make consulting service on lines 5, life and the material selection for the grinding requirements, and the melting blow fabric making machines, and the melting blow and the K95 mask machines, like the 3-play mask machines and the drying rig machines, and the last is industry robots. And this is all the 4 important products and 4 important service we can produce for you. So if you are interested in the products which you can see on screens, so please send us your inquiries to our Alibaba International. You are always welcome. And that's all for our introduction about our company, which is internal beliefs and in Casting and Forging Company Limited. And the next, let's welcome our colleague Carl to his wonderful live show. Thank you.
拍个照就这么难，真的是，能好好拍吗？不知道自己他妈的看成语。
Okay, next welcome my colleague Carl to his wonderful live show. Let's welcome.
Hello everyone, this is Carl from China. Next, let me introduce the nuts and bolts.
叫慢点，不能太快。
As early as the 6th century in Europe, nail-making workers began producing nails with spiral cells. In 1797, Melody invented an all-metal precision screw lathe in London. The following year, Wilson made a nuts and bolts manufacturing machine in the United States. Both machines can produce universal nuts and bolts. Until the 21st century, both are widely used in construction machinery, furniture, electrical appliances, automobiles, lamps, and other industries. Bolts materials. The bolt materials produced by our company mainly include the carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and special alloys, such as 45 steel, SS316, SS304, SAF 2205, 2507, 40CR, 42CRM, and Mono 5500, Mono 400. To mention it, the diameter is the M6 to M100. The length is 20 to 500 and so on. Application mainly used in mining, machinery, cooling tower, and other industrial equipment. Ball mill balls. Application. Ball mill balls are widely used in ball mills, cement mills, coal mills, and mine mills, including SH mills, H mills. Material grade. Commonly use 40 CR, 10.9 grade and 42 CRMO, 5.9 grade, 35 CRMO, 5.9 grade. And this is the symbols of accompanying products. And this is our factory is producing. And the worker is producing the voice and high capacity. Okay, last. Standard steel balls. Standard steel balls generally refer to steel balls that are resistant to corrosion by air, water, ice, alkali cells, or other media. Application: many use for environmental protection equipment, medical equipment, power facilities, chemical instruments, petrochemical industries, off-white turbines, material grades. Our most commonly produced materials are SF0305, SF316, SF2205, 2507, and mono 500 and mono 400. And this is the both symbols for our company is serving. And so on. And this is the real certificate of our company. Thanks for watching. If you have any inquiry about us, please send it to our email. Forging@casting.com. We'd like to study your requirements and quote you the best process. Please follow our shop on Alibaba, and we will bring you a more exciting new broadcast in the near future. That's all. Next, let me invite my colleague Terry to the next introduction.
Hello, ladies. Everyone, this is Terry from EB China. Welcome to our lecture. I will going to show you our the new concept of brushing and grading technology in system and many industries. Okay, let's begin. Based on the theory of 4 million and system and energy, this paper expounds the comprehensive application of science and technology in the fine brushing and graining process, and puts forward a new concept of common and mine crushing and graining technology through the analysis of the working conditions and operation of each working part of the floor mill. The first is the introduction. Cement and mining industries are the basic industries in the national economy. They have the characteristics of sustainability, large value, and high energy consumption. Therefore, high efficiency and low consumption are prominent topics in the cement and mining industries. Throughout the domestic and foreign markets, there are large ups and downs, and fierce competition and the ultimate goal of enterprise competition is quality and cost. Therefore, technological upgrading and equipment should be the top priority of current enterprise development. This is the project technological background. Crushing and graining production lines are widely used in the production of mining, cement, electrical power, chemical industry, building materials, and other industries. It plays a prominent and fundamental role in the traditional industry, and is also the main link for mining, cement, and other enterprises to improve efficiency and reduce consumption. After all, ores such as gold, silver, copper, iron, and tin are mined. They need to go through primary crushing, medium crushing, fine crushing, and then through graining process to select fine powder. Every year, nearly 2.4 billion tons of cement, raw materials, and chemicals are crushed and ground. And the processing of crushing and graining process exceeds 6 billion tons. About 1.7 billion tons of coal used in coal-fired power plants must be crushed before it is injected into the boilers for combustion and power generation. In 2019, China produced 9.96 million tons of steel. Based on the average iron in content of 30%, 3.3 billion tons of iron alone need to be crushed and ground every year. Copper, gold, molybdenum, chromium, and other metal mines are similar production processes. The gravel and sand used in sweeter should be broken and finally broken before it can be applied to all kinds of construction production projects. Russian greening processes consume about 4 million tons of rare resistance materials every year. Prove the power consumption of Russian greening takes up nearly 70% of the whole production process. Therefore, the improvement of Russian greening production technology is the main direction of for enterprise to achieve energy saving, consumption reduction, and benefit improvement. Next is the project technology background. Mistakes of current Russian greening process. First, ball mill is called no machine. In fact, it is misunderstanding. People do not really understand the ball mill. There is this said machine, the greening process. The ball mill has been around for more than 100 years. Over the past 100 years, great changes have taken place in the greening process. The feeding size of the ball mill has changed from about 200 in simple production to about 1 in modern mass production. Two about the new concept crushing process. Russian greening production is the main link in cement production and mine benefit, and its power